Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today I have a super fun video. I could be off with my timeline, but I want to say a month ago, I saw a video from one of my favorite YouTubers, Allura Beauty, and it was about some eyeshadow palettes from KALEIDOS, I think you pronounce it, and it's an Asian brand, and I'd seen some of their palettes kind of floating around Instagram, and they always looked really pretty, but I never tried anything. So I saw her swatch them and talk about them, and I'm always the first one to say swatches are bullshit, but I mean, these swatches she did, she used them on her eyes, but just by her swatches, I was like, oh. So I watched her video and I was like, oh my gosh, these look amazing. So I went on the website and I ordered the Futurism collection, and it came like this. In this gorgeous, beautiful box, which I'm absolutely not throwing away. Came beautifully packaged, with a little note inside. But I mean, this is a legit nice box. And I will let you know on the screen, the price and everything. And I will write from the date that I ordered to the date that I got it, how long this took to get here, because it wasn't long. And here are the 3 palettes. Kind of reminds me of Pat McGrath or something. And I mean, these things are heavy. So this collection comes with 3 palettes, and I will show you each one. We have the Futurism 1, which is the Sci-Fi green. So we have the first here. The second is the Futurism 2 Cyber Bronze. And the third is the Astro Pink. So at the end, I'll swatch everything, but for now, we're just gonna go right into a try on. I'll do a different look on each eye just to kind of use as many shades as possible. I might not use them all, but I'll swatch them all for you. So let me go off camera, do kind of prep my face and do my primer and everything, and I'll be right back and we will get right into the eye look. All right, so I think I'm gonna start with the green palette. I mean, just because it's gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna zoom you in, and we're gonna start on this eye. We're gonna go into this shade right here. A little bit of patchiness, I feel like it's heavier right there, but that could be whatever I put down first. Still, oof. Color's really nice. And then I'm actually gonna go in with this kind of deep green right here, and I'm gonna put that all over the lid. There's also a slightly lighter kind of camo green right here. And I'm gonna put that kind of in the crease a little bit. That blended beautifully. And honestly, I thought putting the green kind of overlapping that would have made it, I mean, it's a muddy color anyway, but I thought it just wouldn't have looked very good, but it looks totally fine. So I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of that kind of mustardy yellow color, and I'm gonna tap a little bit more kind of over top. And today I am not using any glitter glue. I'm not using any kind of base to add any of these metallic shades, because I want to kind of see how they perform on their own. So I think I'm actually just gonna go right in. I'm gonna use both of them. I'm gonna do the green first and then do the kind of gold, kind of more towards the inner corner, because oh my God. I just kind of want to see how it lays down on its own, and it's beautiful. This is the green. Again, I'll write the shades on the screen. Now this isn't going to be a really sharp kind of cut crease. I'm just kind of layering everything just, again, to show you how it all performs. And that's pretty impressive without laying down a base for anything. I mean, seriously, Jesus. All right, so that was the green. I'm going to go in with a little bit of the gold. Same thing. And I mean, it's equally as shiny and metallic. You can't tell a huge difference between the shade when I put it on, but I can tell a little bit because the tone's a little bit different. But ooh, this like metallic green shade is like, whoa. Maybe what I'll actually do on the other side is I'll lay a base down on this side to see how much more like crazy it'll be. But let me do my base primer on this side and I'll come back and we'll decide what we're gonna do from these palettes. So I'll be right back. All right, so we have 2 of the palettes left, and bronze and the pink. Honestly, I mean, the bronze is very pretty, this one up here, but I mean, I really want to use some of these shades down here. So, all right, I'm just gonna go into this lightest shade here, and I'm gonna kind of go just lightest to darkest. So let's see what we can do. And I'm gonna apologize ahead of time. I know sometimes I move out of focus and then like I'm blurry for a few minutes and I try to cut those parts out because you can't see anything. So if you see me all of a sudden jump and I've done like a whole thing and you didn't see any of it, that's usually why. It's because I'm out of focus and I didn't realize it. So I apologize. And once again, I like to say this just so nobody's confused. I'm not a makeup artist. Like, I'm not gonna show you any looks that you're gonna be like, wow, that's groundbreaking. I really wanna see how makeup performs, so don't come for me. This is the second kind of deepest shade. And I'm kind of gonna do just something similar like I did to this side, because again, I just wanna get a gist of how these are all performing. Those blended really, really nice. And even though they're very like warm and rosy flesh toned, I love colors like that. We're gonna go into this like maroon shade right here and I'll put that all over the lid. You know what? I want a little bit more pigment, so I'm gonna see if I can get a little bit more with my finger. There we go. Pack this on a little bit more to make it a little bit more opaque. That is a gorgeous like raspberry shade. Back in with that raspberry shade, I'm gonna put this in the crease. And let's do a cut crease like actually with something, because I'm gonna put down this incredible color right here. I want to see how it looks. Like, I'll swatch it again when we're done without anything, but I want to see how it looks like on top of a cut crease. All right, let's put some of this magical color on. Whoa. All right. Oh my God. Oh my God, that is just, it's just, oh my gosh, wow.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous that is. Oh my God, oh my God. Man, if they ever sell this in a single, oh boy. Wow, that is delicious. Like, look at that color. Oh. All right, I'm gonna put some of this kind of lavender shade kind of towards the middle now. Also, incredibly metallic. Like, all of these are like, they don't feel wet, but they look like they would feel wet. Stop. Just stop. All right. But again, this wasn't to show you what an amazing artist I am. It was just to show you how these looks perform. So right now I'm actually gonna wipe these off and actually do a look off camera. So let me wipe this off, do like a more cohesive look, I guess, and then I'll be right back and again, we'll talk about it. All right, so this is the final eye look. And besides the wonky way I did my lashes, I think it came out beautiful. I think these are stunning, stunning eyeshadows. And now we will go on with the swatches. And I'm just gonna write the shade names on the screen because I took these out and I don't know where they came from, and looking up where they came from is just going to take too long, so I'm not going to do that. So again, I'm just gonna write it on the screen for you. The first palette, and this is the Sci-Fi green. Oh my god, that black is crazy. What? Next, we're going into the, and this one I didn't actually use at all. Oh no, I'm lying. I think I used, yeah, I used this silver kind of towards my inner corner. Sensational. And the final one is the pink Astro, or I'm sorry, Astro Pink. And this is the one I used mostly for this eye look that I'm wearing now. So, any cons or critiques that I have are honestly just a preference thing. So, for example, I wish maybe these two shades were a tad more different. I wish maybe this one is a little bit lighter or this one a little bit deeper. This black is actually gorgeous because it does have some like metallic glitter in it, but I actually wish it was just straight metallic instead of matte with shimmer in it, if that makes sense, because there's already a black matte in the other palette. But again, those are just kind of preference-y kind of things, because I'm trying to be like devil's advocate kind of thing. This palette I think is actually like laid out perfectly. I think every shade in here is probably like different enough that it makes sense. And this one, I kind of feel the same about these two shades. I wish one of these were actually a little lighter or darker just so they were a little bit more different. But honestly, I don't really have anything bad to say about these shadows. I think they're beautiful, the mattes. There wasn't one shade that didn't swatch well. There wasn't one shade that didn't apply well that I tried. I think this is a beautiful, beautiful collection, and I think it's a really good deal for what you're getting. The palettes are substantial, like they're heavy, they feel really well made. The formula for both, again, the mattes and the metallics feel beautiful. Really beautiful, and if you're looking to try them, I don't think you'll be disappointed. I will leave the link to these below. It's not an affiliate link. This company doesn't know who I am. But if you do choose to try them and you do actually get them and try them, make sure you come back and let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know if you've tried them or if you want to try them. Again, let me know in the comments below and tell me what you think. All right, so that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.